And welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, March 15th. It's 8:30 p.m. Let's dive right into today's video. Guys, right to start it off, we've got from Jay Claver. Real wealth will come from owning the infrastructure that everything in finance will rely on. While a lot of people chase candles, the ones who actually get it are stacking assets that will be the foundation of the entire financial system. And guys, he couldn't have said it any better. I recently watched one of his podcasts where he's talking about how the stock market is going to change. You're not going to be able to make money how you used to when this change happens, guys. The ones who are investing right now into the new financial infrastructure will be the ones who have had the largest gains to gain from. Here we got from Bird, XRP dominance will make a huge move very soon. You can see it right in the charts, guys, and this is the XRP dominance chart on the weekly as a percentage against the whole crypto cap. And as you guys can see, we have this descending wedge, which usually breaks out to the upside, as we are right now in the apex of this wedge, looking for a massive breakout. Target would probably be up here around the 5.5% range to the top of the wedge. But very interesting, very exciting to see that we are actually going to get some action here with XRP dominance in the very near future. We've got from X Finance Bull. Boom, XRP just printed one of the strongest real-world growth signals in crypto. We had 111 million tokenized in January, and now today, 1.14 billion today. Guys, that is a 920% increase in under 3 months. Absolutely insane. This is not hype, guys. This is on-chain data from real-world asset analytics. The XRPL now sits number 2 globally for tokenized commodities. And guys, behind only Ethereum, ahead of Polygon, ahead of Solana, Arbitrum, and the BNB Chain. So XRP is looking like it is getting ready to potentially flip Ethereum in tokenized deposits. We've got 15% of every tokenized commodity on chain lives on the XRP Ledger. Absolutely insane. Very, very cool. And guys, as they say, price will catch up. The rails are built, the capital is flowing, price catches up. It always does. Here we got people underestimate how long it takes to win big. You struggle for 10 years and eventually in one day you achieve more than you did your entire life. Be patient, my XRP friends. Let's be patiently aggressive and continue to accumulate the best opportunity of our lifetime, XRP. From Bull Theory, this is very strange. Since the start of the US-Iran war 15 days ago, we've got $2.4 trillion erased from the US stocks, while $2.5 trillion have been wiped out from gold and silver. And meanwhile, Bitcoin is up 12.5% and the total crypto market is up 10%, adding 240 billion. This is definitely not normal, because usually in times like these of uncertainty and high risk assets like Bitcoin crash the hardest while precious metals rally. But here we are seeing the opposite, where we're actually having the crypto market gaining a little bit of inflows, 240 billion. Very, very interesting to see. We've got Ethereum from Polymarket. Ethereum is now projected to lose its spot as the second largest cryptocurrency. There's a 57% chance now that Ethereum will be flipped this year. And guys, we know who the next runner-up is. XRP is about to fly as XRP sits in the top 3rd spot. So it is next to take Ethereum. We've got William Shatner posting about paying at a gas station with X Money. And as you guys know, X Money is going to be launching within the next couple of weeks. While buying Ripple chips, very interesting. You can't tell me this isn't subtle signaling, subliminal referencing here. The XRPL references keep popping up everywhere lately. Guys, check out this if it will load. Check out this video. Well, it doesn't look like it's loading right now. He's buying as you can see right here, Ripple chips. Looks like subliminal messaging potentially with X money. You got X, right? XRP. They know what they're doing. And guys, what he does is he shows the tax price first. He covers the total. And then he lifts up the card, and then you can see the total price. The tax is 91 cents. The total is $26 and some change. Could this potentially be a subliminal messaging showing that XRP could fall to 91 cents before shooting straight up to $26? We will have to see, wait and see and find out. Oh, it doesn't want to load right now. That's all right. If you follow me on X, you can definitely check it out. We've got XRP. If this pattern plays out like before, I wouldn't blink at seeing $12.50. I don't know before March ends, but we've got XRP on the weekly time, and it is looking like it is getting ready to potentially have a move to the upside. I don't know. I don't think the bull or the bear market's over. Oh, here's the video, guys. Here's the video. Check this out. Check this out. 91 cents first, 26.89. And you can see the Ripple chips. The fact that he goes like this, he lifts up the card, he hides the total, 91 cents, and then he really shows the total. So very, very interesting, guys. Isn't it weird how we're kind of around $1.49 right now? You can see $2.98 back to $1.49, $1.49. Could we see 91 cents and then 26.89? You know, could this mean something? You know, call me crazy, but it definitely could. I believe that it definitely could. Let's dive right into the charts and actually see what's going on here with the price of XRP. Looking at the daily, you can see, guys, we have broken above the resistance. And I think I made my last video over here somewhere. We tested the resistance as support. Look at that bounce. I would have liked to see a stronger bounce, but that's okay. We did bounce, guys, off of the support. And now we are heading back to the upside. If we take a look at the weekly, what I like to see is this RSI flipping on the weekly. We are in oversold territory, just getting that bullish flip to the upside. We've got the RSI VWAP indicator, and it is flashing right now. You can see at this level, guys, we have not been down here since over here in 2022. And you can see we had a little move up there. Eventually, it led to a massive move. And again, when the VWAP is down like this, you can see another massive move up there. But historically, when the VWAP RSI is this low, guys, we do see a bounce, a decent sized bounce on the weekly time frame. And then, you know, we could roll back over, make a new low, have some chop before getting a major move to the upside. But I will say, I do think we are at least going to see a bounce up to this level right here around $1.85 to $2, as we have significant resistance at this point. And as you guys can see, right there is what I'm talking about. All this support here, this support. And then once we broke through it, we sank all the way to $1.10. So, you know, if we come right back up to test this level, we're going to be at $1.87. That is definitely a very high possibility. We'll have to see if we can break above it. But I think, you know, we might have a high chance of getting rejected from this point around that $1.90 range. And then kind of consolidating, maybe having one more flash wick down to 90 cents. And then having the major move we've all been waiting for. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, and I will keep you updated in the next one. Till next time.
Let's see what you got, LeBron. Flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always.